What's up guys, Faisal here. So the iPhone SE is Apple's entry-level iPhone, starting at 429 US. The device offers an affordable entry point to the iPhone lineup, with many important features such as a powerful A-series chip, a high-quality camera with 4K video recording, haptic touch, wireless charging, water and dust resistant, and more. The current model added the A15 Bionic chip from the iPhone 13, 5G connectivity, and upgraded rear camera with more advanced computational photography capabilities, improved battery life, and stronger glass. Announced in March 2022, the iPhone SE is the newest iPhone in Apple's lineup and is very early in its product cycle. Apple waited around 3 years to update the original iPhone SE before the 2020 model was released, leaving another 2 years before launching the current model. While the third generation iPhone SE is still very new, there are early signs that a new model is in the works with a larger display. Overall, now is still a good time to buy the iPhone SE and most customers should not wait for a new model to launch. The iPhone SE is Apple's smallest and most expensive iPhone. But for users who are looking for a device with more to offer, there is the iPhone 11, which start at 499 US, and the iPhone 12 mini, which start at 599 US. The iPhone 11 offers a larger display with an all-screen design, Face ID, a better front-facing camera, a rear camera, wide camera, and night mode, while the iPhone 12 mini adds a new more modern design, an OLED display, and more. The iPhone SE is Apple's lowest priced iPhone, meant to be an affordable alternative to the flagship devices. It has been around since 2016, and in 2022, Apple introduced the third generation version with an updated 429 price point, improved A-series chip, and 5G connectivity. At 429 US, the 2022 iPhone SE is 30 more expensive than the prior generation version, but it is still Apple's most affordable iPhone with a modern A15 chip and 5G. There have been no design changes to the iPhone SE, and the 2022 model looks identical to the 2020 model, which was in turn based on the iPhone 8. The iPhone SE features a 4.7-inch Retina HD LCD display with true tone to match the ambient lighting in our room, wide color, Dolby Vision, and HDR10. Available in Starlight, Midnight, and Product Red. The iPhone SE is built with a glass front and back with a color-matched aluminum band. Wireless charging is supported, and it features IP67 water and dust resistant, so it can hold up to splashes, accidental spills, and even brief submersions in water. It also features more durable front and back glass, making it less prone to breakage than the second generation iPhone SE, as it is modeled after the iPhone 8 and prior iPhone SE. The 2022 iPhone SE continues to feature thick top and bottom display bezels and is the sole remaining iPhone model to do so. The top bezel houses the 7-megapixel f/2.2 front-facing camera and microphone, while the bottom bezel includes a Touch ID home button for fingerprint-based biometric authentication. The iPhone SE is Apple's only iPhone that comes with a Touch ID home button, as all other iPhones now feature Face ID. Touch ID works similarly to Face ID as far as authentication, but uses a fingerprint scan instead of a facial scan for Apple Pay purchases, password replacement, and more. Like other iPhones, it uses Haptic Touch for quick actions and contextual menus. There is a single-lens 12-megapixel rear camera in the iPhone SE with an f/1.8 aperture, optical image stabilization, and support for portrait mode and portrait lighting. The iPhone SE does not have night mode, but there is wide color support, and more. The 2022 model gains Smart HDR4 for improved contrast and skin tone, diffusion for better textures, and photographic styles for a custom look for all your photos. The iPhone SE camera can record 4K video at up to 60 frames per second with optical image stabilization and support for slow-mo video and time-lapse video. The front-facing camera supports portrait mode as well using the image signal processor and natural engine of the A15 Bionic. The base iPhone SE is available with 64GB storage at the $429 price point, but 128GB is available for $479 and 256GB of storage is available for $579. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Technology in the Future. You will take care of yourself. Bye bye.